Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home and you're doing all your works nicely. Student, today we are going to start simplification. In the last class we have discussed the word problems. Today I am with some simplification work. So just move on. Before moving on, we will discuss but before moving on, student, we will again do a little bit recap of the whatever we have done, okay, so that you cannot forget, okay. What is division? Again, I am telling you, when a total number of things or objects are distributed equally into equal groups, we carry out the operation called division. Okay, when anything is distributed equally, that is called division. What are the terms in division? Dividend, quotient, remainder, and the divisor. What is the dividend? Dividend is that part of the dividend which we use to division, which we use to divide. Okay, whereas divisor is that part of the division which we use to divide the dividend. The answer, the result which we used to get, that is the quotient. Okay, and the remainder, the leftover number which is not divisible by the divisor, that is considered as the remainder, which is the sign of division. Sign of division is divided by, that means one dash and two dots which is parallel to each other, which is between each other. Okay, which should be written in between and which should be parallel to each other. Let's move on. Now here we are with BODMAS, my dear. In the last multiplication chapter, the mass already is completed. You have done the question related to mass, MAS. Okay, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Sorry. So you are already knowing these three terms. You are aware of. But some more terms are there. What are that? BOD. Okay, and total it will be called as BODMAS. So B stands for bracket. O stands for off. Off means into, my dear. If off is written in the question, off means into. Okay, means any number is given. Like suppose that we will discuss. Okay, if any number is given and in that off is mentioned, it means you have to do that first. Okay, first we will solve the bracket. Whatever we used to go line by line. So what is coming? What is the priority in this? The first is bracket we will solve. Then after that, if off is written, off we will solve. Then after that, division we will do. Then after that, multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, some of the time it happens, my dear, in the question all the things used to be given. Okay, all the things used to be given. So you have to keep in your mind the BODMAS. You have to learn it. This BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, A stands for addition, whereas S stands for subtraction. This MAS is already you are aware of, but this BOD is new one to you. So you have to, it will take little bit time, but it will be clear to you all. I am going to give so many examples here. It will clear how to do the questions related to BODMAS. Just see. What it is written here? It is written rules to be followed, rules which we have to follow while doing this. What are the rules? Operation in the bracket should be carried out first. Operation in the bracket. Okay. After that, after doing the operation given in the bracket, that should be carried out first. After that, if the off is given, off means into, we have to multiply then. After solving the bracket one number, we have to multiply. After that, move left to right, and carry out division and then multiplication. Move left to right and then carry out the division work and then carry out the multiplication afterwards. In the same way, again move left to right, carry out the addition and then the subtraction. For more than one operation inside a bracket, follow the rule 2 and 3. Okay, if more than one operation is inside the bracket, then follow the rule 2 and 3, means multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. Now more things are there. Just see. Remember, BODMAS. Okay, again, O is missing here, but it should be O. O stands for, again and again I am telling, O stands for multiplication. If in the question it is mentioned O, means off, sorry, then it is means that we have to multiply here. After solving this B, we have to multiply, means O we have to solve. Then only division, multiplication and addition and subtraction. Same thing is written here, or also order to be followed. Okay, that we have discussed. Move left to right and carry the division and multiplication, then move again left to right to carry the addition and subtraction. Upside down question is given. Okay, and the signs which are given, division sign, divided by sign, or minus sign, or plus sign, or the into sign, all the signs are being circled by red. Okay, so now we will do some of the questions. Okay, now just see how to do it. Okay, it is written 6 plus 54 divided by 2 minus 4 into 5. It is written here na. So what you will do, you will first carry on the work of here. Which one is coming first? Division. So divide you have to do first here. Okay, means 54 divided by 2 we will do first. Okay, and rest all we will write as it is. By giving the equal to sign to the right side, we will write rest all. So 6 plus 52 divided by 2 when you will do, okay, 54 divided by 2 when you will do, then you will get 27. So that 27 you will write. Then after minus sign is given, so minus you will give, and 4 into 5 you will write. After division, which is what is coming? Multiplication is coming. Okay, so 4 into 5 you will do. Okay, 6 plus 27 minus 4 into 5 is written now. So then we will solve 4 into 5. So 6 plus 27 you will write as it is, minus 4 into 5 when we are doing, then we are getting 20. Okay, now 6 plus 27, what you will get? 33. 6 plus 27 you will get 33. Okay, and minus 20 and minus 20. So 33 minus 20, what you will get? 13. What you will get? 13, isn't it? You can do it. So you can see how I have done how I have performed the work. First I have divided, in the next step I have multiplied, in the next step I have added, because after multiplication addition is coming, multiplication then addition is coming. So 6 plus 27 is 33. Okay, so that 33 I have written here. Okay, and then that 20 I have taken down, minus 20 I have written. Now 33 minus 20 when I am doing, then I am getting 13. So this is how we used to carry on the division work. This is how, step by step, student. We don't used to skip any step. You can see whatever the sum which I am solving, that answer I am writing, and the rest all number also I am taking down. It is not like that I am leaving that number and only the answers I am taking down. No, you have to write the numbers also which is given. Okay, some more examples I am having. Just see. In this also you can see, my dear, 70 into 30 minus 10 plus 150 divided by 3. It is written there, na? It is written. So what you will do? We will do the division here first. Okay, first we will do the division. Okay, because off is not given, na? Off is not given, so we will do the division here first. So how we will do? Means 150 we have to divide by 30 first. Okay, 150 we have to divide by 30 first. So we will write 70 into, but here what it is done, here in this question I am seeing it is written 70 into 30 and it is multiplied in 2000, then 2100 it already written, minus 10 plus 150 divided, but we will carry a division work first. Okay, means 150 divided by 3 we will do, so we will get 50. Okay, we will get 50. Okay, because in the table of 350 is coming in 5 times and 0 is written, so 0 we will write, so 50 we will get. So 50 we will write. Okay, here we will write, here only we will write 50. Okay, and here we will not write 2100, we will write 70 into 30, because first we have to do multiplication, first we have to do division, not the multiplication. So now after writing this much, what we will do? Now after division, we have to multiply. So this one we have already completed. So now we have to multiply 70 into 30. So when we will multiply these two, we will get 2100. Okay, 2100. So that 2100 we will write, and minus 10 and plus 50. Plus 50 you are knowing how we have got by dividing 150 by 3. We have got. Now after that, which work we have to do? Addition. Okay, what we have to do? Addition. So here we have to see, my dear, what we have to see. It is written 200 and sorry, 2100 minus 10 plus 50. So don't try to add these two numbers, because before 10 minus sign is there. That also you have to keep in your mind. So we have to add the numbers. So this one is in plus and this one is in plus. So 2100 plus 50 when you will do, then you will get 2150. So that 2150, you will write this side 2150, okay, minus 10, okay, minus 10, okay. Now minus 10 when you will do, then you will get 2140, because when you will subtract from 250 to 2150 10, then you will get 2140, okay. So like this we will carry on the simplification here. Again I am here with one more question, okay. Order of operation, again BODMAS rule we have to follow. Here bracket is also coming, okay, here bracket is also coming, but O is means off is not there, but you will get off also maybe in the question. So how we will do? First what we have to solve? We have to solve the bracket, the number which is written. So you can see 235 into 22 divided by 11 is written. It is given inside the bracket like this, plus sign is given, and then it is written 7314 minus 5471. Now you will what do? You will solve the bracket, okay. You will solve the bracket first. So you will do what? You can do 22 divided by 11 you can do, and then you will get 11 only, because when any means 22 divided by 11 when you are doing, then in 2 times you are getting this, so 2 you will write here, okay. And then like here it is being multiplication we are doing first. Here you can see in this question multiplication is being done first under the bracket. So in the multiplication it is done, so you can see 235 multiplied by 22 we are doing, and we are getting 5170 divided by 11, okay, plus 7314 minus 5471. So now after that we will divide, okay, we will divide the number which is written. First we have to complete the bracket completely, okay. So now we have multiplied. After multiplying we will divide, okay. You can divide, you just see here we have done M first, then D, then A, and then A, then S. We are following this one, okay, because under the bracket, because we are solving the bracket one number. So you can see, my dear, that when you are dividing 11 by 5770, okay, when you are dividing 5170 by 11, you will get 470. Okay, after getting 470 you will give the plus sign, and then you will write that these two numbers which are left. You can see I have written these two numbers. After that, according to the BODMAS, which is what is coming? Addition. So we will add first, okay, we will add first. So this first number and this second number we have to add. When you will add these two, you will get 7784 minus 5471, okay. When you will subtract these two, because now we have to carry on the subtraction work, you will get 2313, okay. So this is how we used to do the simplification work. This is how we will use to do the whatever number is written under the bracket, inside the bracket, we used to solve that first, and then only we can move on, and then only we used to move on. Okay, so inside the bracket you can divide first also, and you can multiply first also, okay, no problem. In both the cases you will get the same answer. It is not like that we will divide first, then it will be something different, and we will so if you will divide here also, so if you are dividing here 22 divided by 11, then you will get 2 here. So now 2 into, you can do it, I am telling you, 235 into 2 you try to do. So 2 5s are 10, so 0 you write, 0 we will write down, 1 we will take carry, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7, 2 2s are 4. So what you have got? So same thing you have got now. You have got the same thing. This is only I am telling. You can divide that first also, and then after dividing you can multiply. In both the cases the answer will be same. But you have to solve the bracket one first. Okay, don't get confused, my dear. Miss, you have said according to the board mass we have to go. So why you have done the multiplication here first and why not the division? You can do division also. But in this question, multiplication was done first. So I have gone through according to the multiplication. But you will, if divide first, 22 divided by 11, then you will get 2 as the question, whereas 0 as the remainder. So when you will multiply 2 into 335, you have to multiply, na? Then you will get 470. So same thing you will get. Here it is written. Okay, but bracket you have to solve first. Keep this in your mind. One more question I am with me. More question is there with me, my dear. Just see. It is written 1428 multiplied by 20 minus 4050 plus, yes, plus sign, plus bracket 2488 to 24,880 divided by 8. So which one we have to solve first? Obviously the bracket we will solve first. Means 24,880 divided by 8 we will solve. Okay, so let's do it, my dear. You can see this bracket I have solved the first step. So I have got 3,110. Then after the rest all numbers, whatever the number with the sign is given, that I have written as it is. Now after doing the division here, which thing we have to do? Multiplication. So when you will multiply 1428 into 20, okay, then you will get 28560. That 28560 you will write down, and the rest all number minus 4050 plus 3110 you will write as it is. Okay, now after this we have to what do? Add or subtract we have to do. Okay, yes, this only two we have to carry, but we will do the addition here because after multiplication addition used to come. So we will add here. So which two number you will add? We will add 28560 plus 3110, because before that also plus sign is given and before this no sign is given. So it is a positive number. Let's add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 we will write down and 1 we will take carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3160670 you will get. 31670 you will get. Now in that 31670 you will subtract the last number, that is 4050. Okay, because it is given in minus and it is in plus. So plus minus is also minus. Okay, two different signs are there, so it will be going negative. So 31 from 31670 subtract 4050. Okay, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 7 minus 5 will be 2, 6 minus 0 will be 6, 1 minus 4 is not possible, it will take 1 carry, 11 minus 4 will be 7, and here 2, because nothing is there, so it is 0, so 2 minus 0 will be 2. So the same answer you are getting. Yes. Okay, so like this only we used to carry on the division work. Like this only we used to carry on the division work, my dear students. Okay. Now student, we have already done the bracket one, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. One thing was missing, off. So one question I am giving randomly, which we are going to solve together, and which we are here only I am writing. So just see. Like suppose 16 divided by 2 of 8. Like this, if any number is given. Okay, bracket is not there, no addition, no subtraction. In only little bit for just explaining the of, I am explaining this question. Of is written now. Of stands for into. Keep this in your mind. Of stands for into. If the bracket is mentioned, so after solving the bracket, we have to solve O. O for of. Of means into. Keep this in your mind. Okay. Now just see. What you will do? 16 divided by, okay, 2 into 8 you will do. 2 into 8. These you will solve first. So 2 into 8 will be 16. Now 16 divided by 16 will be 1. Isn't it? If bracket is also mentioned, if suppose this number was given inside the bracket, my dear, and then it is written like this. Okay. Suppose this number is written inside the bracket. So first you will solve these two first because it is inside the bracket. So 16 divided by 2 when you will do, okay, 16 divided by 2 when you will do, then you will get what? You will get 8. 8 get na 8. Now bracket is over. Now bracket is not there because you have already solved the bracket. Now 8 into 8. Okay. So now 8 into 8 you will do, then you will get the answer. Okay. The answer will change here if the bracket will be given. If it is not given, answer will come 1. Okay, clear? So maybe in the question you will get off also, maybe in the question you will get bracket also, or maybe you will not get the bracket and only off. But off, keep in your mind, off was not mentioned here. So that is why in the last I have explained one question, and off stands for multiplication. Keep this in your mind. After B, B stands for bracket. After B, O is coming. Keep this in your mind. So O you will solve and then you will go for D and M and A and S. Okay. I hope now, my dear, you all have understood how to do the simplification with the help of BODMAS. Okay, so that is all, my dear. Go through the number of questions and examples which I have given and try to solve by your own self. Thank you, everyone. If any problem is there, you can come in the online class. Thank you, everyone.